Open the puzzle without code file. You have 16 puzzle sprites and 16 location sprites. There is nothing to change with the location sprites. I have already done the coordination part and changing color part for you. You also got a good job sprite. Go to Puzzle 1 sprite. Get a when green flag clicked. Go to X is a random number between 55 and 205. And Y is a random number between -144 and 144. Make a new variable called has this sprite complete yet? The question mark reminds us that this variable contains a true or false value. Select for this sprite only to make it becomes local variable. If you want to know, local variable is different to global variable, which I have used in most of my tutorials. Local variable is a variable that only belongs to the sprite that you are currently working on. If you drag that variable to another sprite, it will automatically become a new variable that only works for that sprite. Let me show you what I mean. Set has this sprite complete yet equals to 0. Drag this block to Puzzle 2. In Puzzle 2 sprite, click this square box here and you will find that this variable name is different from the first one. It says the first one belongs to Puzzle 1 and the second one belongs to Puzzle 2. And this is how local variable works. Continue to copy it to other puzzle sprites from 3 to 16. Go to Puzzle 1 sprite. Get a when this sprite clicked. If has this sprite complete yet equals to 0, which means false. Go to front layer. Repeat until not mouse down. Inside the loop, go to mouse pointer. This loop allows you to drag the first puzzle freely in the game. Test the game. Now the puzzles are placing randomly on the stage. And you can only drag this first puzzle freely on the stage. Get an if-then-else block. If distance to location 1 is less than 10, then go to location 1. Set has displayed complete yet to 1, which means true. Make a new variable called totalComplete. And change totalComplete by 1. Else set has displayed complete yet to 0. Decoding inside the if-then-else block means that after dragging the puzzle and release your mouse button, if the puzzle is very close to its correct position, then it will go to and stick to the correct position. It also sets the local variable to 1 so that it is not clickable again, and increase totalComplete by 1 so that later when it reaches 16, we will stop the game. If the distance is not less than 10, it will set the puzzle to be clickable again. Copy it to the second puzzle sprite. In distance to block and go to block, change the sprite name from location 1 to location 2. Repeat the same process for the remaining sprites. Test the game and see if the puzzles are draggable and are able to add numbers to totalComplete. Go to Good Job Sprite. When green flag clicked, set totalComplete to 0. Reset timer. Get a forever loop. Hide it from player. If total complete equals to 16. Then show it to player. And say time used timer seconds for 10 seconds. Stop this script. Now you have created a puzzle game. Try to put all the puzzles correctly using the shortest time.